I'm here to unfold a story that's not just about power transitions, but about the aspirations and conflicts within a nation's ruling party. Zimbabwe, a country with a history marked by its liberation struggle and political upheavals, is once again at a crossroads. The current president, Emmerson Mnangagwa, is expected to step down in 2028, and the question of who will take the helm has sparked intense debate and division within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. War veterans, influential figures due to their roles in Zimbabwe's liberation war, have openly denied Vice President Chiwenga's potential succession. Instead, they are throwing their support behind Chris Mutsvangwa. Why is this significant, you ask? Well, back in 2017, it was these very war veterans who played a pivotal role in the ousting of Robert Mugabe, Zimbabwe's longtime ruler. Their influence within the political spectrum of Zimbabwe is undeniable, and their current opposition to Chiwenga could set the stage for another major political shift. But the plot thickens. Recently, Chiwenga made headlines with his controversial remarks against an LGBTQ group offering scholarships, calling it alien, anti-life, un-African, and un-Christian. This statement has not only affected his political standing, but also highlighted the broader issues of human rights and international relations in Zimbabwe. Amid these tensions, there is a palpable fear that the internal strife within ZANU-PF could lead to instability. The party, which has been the ruling force since independence, is now seeing factions forming, each with its own vision for Zimbabwe's future. As political enthusiasts, it's crucial to watch how these dynamics unfold. Will the war veteran's support for Mutsvangwa elevate him, or will Chiwenga find a way to consolidate power despite the opposition? And more importantly, what does this mean for the people of Zimbabwe? Stay tuned as we continue to analyze and bring insights into these developing stories, understanding that behind every political maneuver, there are deeper narratives of power, legacy, and the fight for a nation's soul. Thank you for joining me today. Keep questioning, keep seeking truth, and let's dive deeper into the complex world of political dynamics together.